What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. I'm gonna just let the car warm up and then we'll start heading out. Alright guys, we're on the road now. We're on the way to Austin Park and Pizza. That's where Nick told us all to meet, so we're all headed there. Right now it's just me, but I know I saw a few M's behind me that are coming from San Antonio, I believe. It might be the San Antonio guys and girls, but let me get in the middle lane so we can try to have them come next to me.
Disclaimer. All actions seen in this video are generated using AI, and we do not condone any of this behavior. Please do not try this at home.
So it's actually kind of lit. I always cruise with the OG boys. Oh, we got an M2 back there now? From where? Behind us, got a white M3 back there, and this M2 that just pulled up. I don't know from where. It literally just spawned in. Damn, I'm bouncing all over the place. Oh shit. Oh man, I already went through like 30 miles of range, bruh. I'm gonna need to fill up here pretty soon after the meet or something. We got motion behind us too still. Nick just texted me. What did he say? Oh shit. I'm here. I'm 5 minutes away, buddy.
Turn right.
Damn, bro. Why are there so many rocks?
Arrived.
What's good, birthday guy?
Rich millionaire.
Happy birthday, bro.
What's up, bro? Where's the wifey?
Oh, she didn't come. I just randomly met them on the road.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
You rolled through, I was like, oh shit.
That's wild.
I was rolling, I see like 10 BMWs behind me. I'm like, huh. Toasty Tony! What's good?
Good, my boy.
How you doing?
How you doing, yo?
Chilling, bro. I can see myself.
Washed it for once, and it's so dusty. But I just realized I definitely stole the detail spray from the shop. So
Damn.
we're good.
How many cars we got here? 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, maybe 19. That's a lot. All right, we're ready to roll. Ooh, getting old. Nick, how old are you now?
What's up?
How old are you now?
25.
Sheesh! Guys, don't mind that. Damn, they just start up their cars. Don't even let them warm up. It's kind of wicked. Look at this slalom. Ready? Oh, you gotta be shitting me.
In half a mile, keep left to merge onto I-35 North.
Is that a rock?
Some cut diamonds on her toes. Ain't no hundreds for a broken, need a big for sure. So many ladies on my wrist, I make it slow for sure. Watch out, I get it big like snow patrol. I got this VIP, now he ain't getting the code. I need holiday, I need every piece. I'm gon' buy that bitch in case you fuck around and leave. I'm gon' hop by smoking gas, bitch, you know we TLT the drink. Every time we outside, yo bitch gon' see us. I got drugs inside my system, better not come fuck with me. We go pouring, we go crazy, I'm gon' take another drink. They pass me one, then pass one more. She go down the whole damn bottle till she on the floor. But I ain't gon' get too low, this high fumes I'm smoking on. I was trying to come back to my life, I said I'm moving on. I push Chanel, I line the fucking clothes. I put some
Alright guys, we're almost to ECC now. We're like 2 minutes away. Yeah, we're 2 minutes away. Ooh, look at that M3 over there. Damn.
In about 1 mile, turn right onto Indian Meadows Drive.
I think that was a Laguna Seca blue M3 on that side. We're about to pull in. I think it's gonna be a pretty big dyno day. I'm not gonna lie. I take it like this.
The destination is on your right, ECC tuned 80X.
I don't even know what we're doing at this point. But look at this F80 behind us. I don't know what it is. We'll find out though. Thanks, bro. Oh, that's kind of sick. I've never seen one of these slam. Have you? GLC 63, and it's the V8. Oh, that's kind of cool. Yeah, okay. You need some spacers, buddy, but you're almost there.
Don't tell me that.
I mean, that's spaced enough.
But then I'll just be rubbing or some shit.
I think you could run maybe a 3. A 3 would like be fun. You're on that thing right now? Huh?
Getting in here was fun.
No, I definitely was not.
I'm glad my car's not low anymore.
I started recording you, and from behind, I was like, I'm gonna get this motherfucker.
You know, I like as I'm pulling up, I'm like, you know what? Just send it. Like I'm just gonna not let off the gas. Just like keep at it.
Kind of glad I don't drive a low car.
Dude,
It sucks.
when I bought the E30, I don't know what the fuck happened, but all the exhaust clamps like spun upside down.
Oh,
so like
fuck
they're
no.
popping out the bottom, dude. And dude, I'm talking like I was like, oh, I'm not gonna scrape there, and I go over and it's just like, I was like,
Yeah.
oh.
No, my M3 was slammed.
Grab a water.
Like,
Look what just pulled up, bro. 3RS.
it's sitting in the back of my dad's shop.
Is that a bug? I literally murdered a bug right here. Yeah, look at that. That's disgusting. Look at this rich guy, bro. He's got a full gauge in this steering wheel. That's sick. How do I turn it off? Damn, bro. Hold on, chat.
Bro, I got a camera in my hand, bro. Use your hand and your tongue in the other.
Fact. No, it's off.
I would love one of those.
G80 and R8? Good combo.
And?
No, definitely good combo.
I mean, yes, it would be a dope combo, but to own them both,
You got this, bro. I only know one person that could do it. It's you. You see that F80? Is that Laguna?
no, it's close. It's I think it's Mexico. I'm not sure.
I'm about to look at that. I have no idea what color this is. I thought it was Laguna though. It's pretty optioned out too. CCBs, white guts. Guys, let me know if y'all know what color this is. It's fully optioned out too. It's got full leather dash. Damn. And this, bro. This is like one of the other cars I was considering getting as a daily. What do y'all think? It's not bad, bro. I kind of mess with it. Definitely need some spacers, but it's lower. Is this the Adro wing? I think it is. Yeah, it is the Adro wing. Damn. This diffuser's sick too. Look at that. Yeah, that is Adro. You see that? This one's wicked.
Yeah. I see you got a coda. Oh, yeah, I'll work out there.
Dang. I want these seats, bro. But I want the carbon versions of these seats. He's got a cool ass setup.
what is this? This is his first car meet, bro. Spencer's about to run his M5 on the dyno.
That's how I just.
Yeah.
He's like, I'm already almost out.
I'm out of my electrolytes.
That's not electrolytes. Where does it say electrolytes? No
Body
way.
fuel.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh shit!
Yo!
Bro's actually on one. Why are you gonna put yours on? Why not?
If I put mine on the list, you know what time I'll be out of here? Probably after the whole meeting.
No, just go after him.
They got a lot of people called up. Yeah, they do this before, like they ask people.
Yeah, bro, you're.
I feel like I'm at a concert right now.
But we're over here trying to see this guy. Like,
All right, guys, ready to roll.
335.
I think you'll be right there.
Fuck no, I'll be like 20 to 30 less.
No.
I'm base model.
Yeah, but still.
Base model's like 420.
But you
Like
got the crisp foot.
Huh?
You got the crisp foot.
If I'm not gonna be in it, they're not gonna let me be in it.
Isn't that the dude's owner?
What happens if he fucks up the car?
That's why I think it's his car.
Oh, the owner? No, that's somebody else.
That's who's the owner.
We just sat here for like 10 minutes trying to figure out good right.
Guys, look who made it. M4 Blanco in the flesh.
Who's that back there behind?
Behind Nick? Yeah. That's bless you. That's Rezwan.
Oh yeah, that is.
He got those new wheels. I need to turn on my car. Damn, bruh. Oh shit, True Religion. Millionaire. Alright guys, the ECC meet is done. We're about to head out. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace out, guys.